The Great Wall of China, a marvel of ancient engineering. The Great Wall of China is undoubtedly one of the world's most iconic and remarkable engineering marvels. Stretching over 13,000 miles, 21,196 kilometers, across China, it is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, tamped earth, wood, and other materials. While often referred to as a single continuous wall, it is actually a collection of walls and defensive structures built by various Chinese dynasties over centuries. Here are some key points about its engineering and historical significance. Purpose and construction. The primary purpose of the Great Wall was to serve as a defensive barrier against invasions and raids by various nomadic groups and military incursions. Its construction started as early as the 7th century BC, but it was during the Qin dynasty, 221 to 206 BC, that the separate walls built by different states were connected to form a unified defensive system. Materials and techniques. The construction techniques vary depending on the geography and materials available in each region. In mountainous areas, stones and bricks were used, while in less hospitable terrains, tamped earth and wood were employed. Workers used simple tools like shovels, pickaxes, and wooden carts to transport materials. Watchtowers and fortresses. The wall wasn't just a linear structure, it included watchtowers, fortresses, and garrison stations strategically placed along its length. These structures allowed soldiers to observe and respond to threats efficiently. Size and scale. The length of the Great Wall and the sheer amount of labor required for its construction are awe-inspiring. The wall winds through diverse landscapes, including deserts, grasslands, mountains, and plateaus. Its scale is a testament to the organization and determination of the ancient Chinese dynasties. Engineering ingenuity. The Great Wall's design incorporated elements to resist enemy attacks. Its height, width, and defensive features varied, but generally, it was built wide enough for multiple soldiers to walk side by side. Battlements and parapets allowed archers to repel attackers, while defensive moats and traps added extra layers of protection. Maintenance and reconstruction. The wall required continuous maintenance and repairs due to natural erosion, weathering, and occasional warfare. Different dynasties undertook reconstruction efforts, leading to the integration of various architectural styles and techniques along its length. Cultural symbolism. Beyond its military significance, the Great Wall holds immense cultural and symbolic importance for China. It represents the determination, resourcefulness, and unity of the Chinese people across generations. Tourism and preservation. Today, many sections of the Great Wall have been restored and are open to tourists. These sections offer glimpses of the wall's historical significance and the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Efforts are ongoing to balance tourism with preservation to ensure the wall's long-term survival. World Heritage Site. The Great Wall of China has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987. Its status underscores its significance not only for China but for all of humanity. Conclusion. The Great Wall of China stands as a testament to the engineering prowess of ancient civilizations. Its construction, purpose, and enduring legacy continue to inspire awe and admiration worldwide. Thank you.